Alright, I'm going to do another unboxing, this time of the Swirl soap kit. So in this kit, you see you get the mold, get a big glass measuring bowl, and this here you get the blender stick. Okay, give me a second. Let me set this phone down. Sorry about that. In this kit, here's all the stuff that you get. So here's all the oils that you're going to need. You get safety glasses. You get the mixing containers, the micas. Whisk. There's a spatula. Obviously, you get the lye. Get some of this stuff out of the way. Try not to get so much on the bed. I don't. This has something to do with the blending. The gloves. The little mini mixer. Thermometer. Little mixing containers to do the the micas, to mix the micas. And you get a digital scale. So, I mean, I believe this one cost $149.99 before tax, shipping, and everything. But as you can see, you get a lot of items for this kit. And again, I'm not affiliated with Brambleberry. It allows me to have it easier on me when I'm making soaps. Because this right here, this quick mix, it's all the oils that you need for the soap base, or to make the soaps.